Starting around 23 June 2023, Algorand truly is exchanging at 13 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in absolute most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Algo, in every way that really matters, has an all-out market cap of $919,570,867, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $30,051,408. So Algo generally has an essentially all-out market cap of $919,570,867, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $30,051,408, or so they fundamentally thought. This most certainly makes Algorand, Algo, sort of positioning at 43 in the digital money market in a significant way. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand explicitly be for the most part worth in 2023, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking? Is Algorand a by and large wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they explicitly thought. Will Algo cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high? Or so they thought. These truly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. As per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost basically is supposed to essentially cross a fundamentally normal value level of 15 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to be 14 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Algo can sort of arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 16 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand, Algo, value conjecture June 2023. The Algorand, Algo, cost for June 2023 may basically arrive at a genuinely least worth of 11 cents, while the kind of most extreme determined cost really is around 12 cents. Which basically is genuinely critical. The extremely normal cost for Algo truly is by and large anticipated to reach 12 cents in June 2023 in a quite enormous way. Algorand value expectation July 2023. The cost of Algorand is generally anticipated to in a real sense reach at the very least worth of 12 cents in July 2023. Which in a real sense is very huge. The Algo cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of 13 cents, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of 13 cents, all through 2023, in an unpretentious manner. Algorand, Algo, value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Algorand sort of is for the most part anticipated to by and large arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of 13 cents. While the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of 14 cents and a genuinely least of 12 cents, which sort of is very critical. Algorand value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the especially most extreme cost for Algorand could sort of stretch around 14 cents, which really is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in September 2023 sort of is 13 cents, with a for the most part normal cost of 14 cents. Which explicitly is very critical. Algorand, Algo, value estimate October 2023. The Algorand, Algo, cost for October 2023 may arrive at a kind of least worth of 13 cents, while the genuinely greatest gauge cost basically is around 15 cents. The very normal cost for Algo truly is in a real sense, anticipated to in every practical sense, reach 14 cents in October 2023, exhibiting how for the most part is Algorand a sort of wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand, Algo, value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Algorand cost especially is figured to essentially arrive at in a real sense, the most minimal cost of 14 cents. Or so they thought. The Algo cost could sort of arrive at an essentially greatest cost of 16 cents, with the very normal expected cost around 14 cents in a significant manner. Algorand, Algo, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand especially is anticipated to sort of arrive at a genuinely normal cost of 15 cents, while the coin could exchange between a limit of 16 cents and a for the most part least of 14 cents in a truly significant manner. Algorand exceptionally passed value examination and the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been especially diminished by 0.96% in its truly current worth, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we explicitly analyze the really current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's you can generally see that the market cap truly is additionally down, which generally is genuinely critical. From fundamentally most recent 7 days, the algo certainly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 13.25%, exhibiting that Algo value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Algorand is basically anticipated to, in every practical sense, arrive at a kind of typical cost of 13 cents, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of 14 cents and a genuinely least of 12 cents in a quite huge manner. Algorand essentially has shown areas of strength for certainly potential of late, and this could be fundamentally great chance to generally dive right in, and in every way that really matters, put resources into an unobtrusive way. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo sort of diminished by 46.144%, disposing of an incredible by and large normal amount of 11 cents from its essentially current worth in a fundamentally enormous manner. This unexpected down implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a great generally purchase a valuable open door for speedy speculation, which sort of is very huge. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 48.10%, and the cost explicitly coursed from a fundamentally least truly normal cost of 23 cents to really most extreme kind of normal cost of 25 cents in the genuinely beyond 90 days. So will Algo cost, all things considered, outperform its record-breaking high, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking? Algorand basically is somewhere near 32.18% with the truly most extreme truly normal cost of the coin in every practical sense was around 17 cents, and the base kind of typical cost of fundamentally was around 16 cents in truly beyond 4 months. So besides Algo can by and large arrive at a sort of greatest value level of 16 cents in a kind of enormous manner. Algorand value gauge 2023 facts. What will be Algorand truly worth in 2023? Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The Algo cost generally is determined to especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of 16 cents, with genuinely least cost of 14 cents. Toward the finish of 2023 incredibly. Does Algorand sort of have a future as opposed to mainstream thinking? As far as cost, Algorand for the most part has an exceptional sort of potential to, in every practical sense, arrive at new levels. Extremely further appearance how from kind of most recent 7 days, the Algo generally was in excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 13.25%, showing that Algo value figure August 2023. For August 2023 the cost of Algorand in a real sense is somewhat anticipated to generally arrive at a truly normal cost of 13 cents, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 14 cents and an in every practical sense least of 12 cents in an essentially significant way. It really is figure that Algo will increment in esteem, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking, as indicated by in every practical